Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how exactly transfer money from your Thomas Cook Forex card to your bank account in 2025. If you're stuck with leftover funds on your card, don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, grab your phone and open the Thomas Cook app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version from the App Store. An outdated app might cause issues, so better to be safe. Once you're in, sign into your account. You'll be taken to the home screen. Now look for the option that says send money abroad and tap on it. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer from your Forex card to your bank. After that, the tap or the apps will prompt you to enter the bank account details. Make sure double check this. Any mistake here can delay the transfer. Once everything filled out, just confirm the transactions. That's it. Your fund will be transferred directly to your bank account. Super easy, right? And there you go. That's how you transfer money from your Thomas Cook Forex card to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.